Alright, everybody. Bucky is back with another unboxing episode. We got some more parts in from eBay. So we'll take a peek here. Pardon all that unboxing. Obviously, the guy went above and beyond for packaging these gaskets. So it's nice to have a complete gasket set. Also got a seal kit while I was at it. Just figure it's nice to have some spare parts around. Pretty old school. There's the piston all wrapped up. Nice and pretty like. Looking pretty good for a piston that was probably manufactured in '73. Or who knows when, but so get these pistons dropped off with the cylinders to the machine shop, and a little shot of the wrist pin. Once I get them back, we'll start getting this thing plugged back together, and then be able to, finish up a lot of the work on the frame. Still figuring out what I'm gonna do for some of the chrome parts. I don't think I'm gonna try diving into chrome and stuff at home, but there's a local shop that does plating, so probably end up just going that route. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. But that's it for now. So stay tuned for more on this Benelli, and thanks for watching.